Question, is it getting cold where you are? Is it dreary and foggy every day and you're wondering where the dang sun is? Well, let me tell you, I feel ya. Or I should say I did feel ya. Today we are going to talk about the best way to get down to the Sunshine State for good so that you can live where everyone vacations. So, who are the winners in this ever-changing real estate market? Well, you're going to be, and I'm going to explain why. New construction homes are the ultimate choice for Florida dream lifestyle. So join me today on a thrilling tour through the endless possibilities and seriously unbeatable advantages awaiting you in the world of new construction. Let's pave the way to your perfect retreat together. I can see it now. Today we're going to talk about why you should choose a new construction home and some tips for navigating the entire process. First things first, why choose new construction? Well, one of the biggest advantages is customization. With new construction, you have the opportunity to personalize your home to fit your style and preferences. From floor plans to finishes, there can be a lot of possibilities. Now, some of the spec homes that I'm going to talk about, you will be limited to customization, but you can choose the paint, light fixtures, decor, and different ways of really making it your own. But the best thing about some of these is that you don't have to wait 18 months to 2 years or more for it to be done. These are going to be done in a matter of a few months. And who wants to wait? Like for anything? None of us do. We're not really a society who loves to be patient in this day and age. Another benefit is affordability. Believe it or not, these new construction homes in Florida can often be more affordable than existing homes. Plus, there are so many benefits like energy efficient features and modern amenities. You'll likely save money on utilities in the long run. They're also coming custom now with hurricane impact windows and doors, which means more credit on insurance, and you are taking away the hassle of the hurricane shutters that we have to put up during hurricane season. We're not going to get into that right now though. But perhaps one of the most enticing aspects of new construction homes is peace of mind that it really offers. Most builders are going to provide warranties that cover structural defects and major systems, giving you an added reassurance as the homeowner. Plus, you most likely are not going to have to worry about many maintenance issues for a while because it's brand spanking new. Now, let's talk about the buying process. It's essential to work with a knowledgeable real estate agent who specializes in new construction. They can really help you to navigate the complexities of the process, from selecting the right builder to negotiating the best deal. When choosing a builder, I would suggest that you really do your research. Look for builders with a solid reputation for quality, craftsmanship, and customer satisfaction. I will be able to help you with that. Visit model homes and talk to current homeowners and ask all the questions in the world. Now, what about financing? A big issue in this current market has been the interest rate. Well, these new builds can alleviate some of those issues. So many of these builders have given buyers incentives of a rate buy down. So where the normal rate might have been closer to 7%, some of these builders are offering a rate of 5 or below. Wait, the name of a really fun store that my kids just love. Many of them are also offering a $10,000 to $15,000 credit towards the buyer's closing costs. Now, that is a great saving, especially in this day and age in this economy. Now, while some builders are offering these in-house financing options, it is essential to actually explore all of your options. I highly recommend that you shop around for the best mortgage rates and terms to ensure that you're getting the best deal possible. Finally, don't skip on the inspections. Even though your home is brand new, it's still essential to have it inspected by a qualified professional before closing. This can help identify any potential issues early on and avoid costly repairs down the road. And there you have it, your guide to buying a new construction home in Florida. If you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We're here to help you find your dream home in the Sunshine State. As always, thanks for watching, and please comment below if you have any further questions about the entire process and what's out there, what's available. There are plenty that are available out there that really are the best deal. And these, I'm telling you, people are the winners in this market. And if you want to explore a bit more as to why this really is the best area to move, please check out this fun video where we explore the beautiful island of Boca Grande. You will definitely be ready to live right down the road after watching this video, which is where we live. We love it. You'll love it. You'll have fun. We have so much fun. All right, thanks, and I will see you next time.